Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to present my Aura, the AI companion, which I have made using this ESP32 box S3, which was purchased from DGKey, and this I am going to present for the Circuit Digest competition 2025. So let's go ahead by explaining the features. First, let us talk about what is build and how it is built. Okay, by explaining the codes and exploring it. I have provided all the codes in the descriptions also. So first is this Aura firmware.c. It contains all the libraries used in this box and all the code that has been stored in this box, that has been programmed here. All the code is here in this Aura firmware.c. Second is server.py. Server.py is the brain of this ESP32 box. It contains the AI models, which is Llama 3. I have used Llama because it is a local AI model which can help to process it faster than sending it to online, which can sometimes result into breaking of the network, or if there is some problem in the API point of view. So therefore I have used a local AI model. So here I have used HTTS and faster whisper for converting my voice to the text and for converting the reply that is coming from Llama to voice, which will be given in this. Secondly, it also contains the logic for playing the music, playing the smart home device. Currently I do not have any smart home physical device present at the moment, so I have used a dashboard. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It works on the same principle. When I will say switch on the light or switch off the light, it will work here. You can see it completely. I'm going to show it later. So after this, let us examine the structure of the file. So this is my aura.file. Here, as this is Aura firmware, which is the main folder. In Aura brain I have used all my assets, and you can see this server.py. So server.py, you can find it here. And after that, let's talk about the Aura firmware.c. It is stored in the main folder. Here you can see Aura firmware.c and also the cmake list.txt. So this is all about the code point of view. Now let's move ahead to explain the features. Moving on to the features of my Aura, the AI companion. So in this Aura, we have tried to make a user-friendly AI like Alexa, a home assistant, but more of a friendly home assistant by its eye-catching UI, which I am going to show further in this video. Also by its capability to control smart home devices like bulb, light, fan, etc. And also it is capable of playing songs to light up your mood. So now let's move on to see the functioning of this Aura. So I am opening the ESP-IDF to run my backend server because I have installed it locally, Python. So now I'm going to type out python server.py to start the server. And side by side, let's connect our Aura. Okay, first let us see. Look, here the Python server has been started. Let me zoom it out a little more. So you can see Unicorn running, and now it is waiting for our Aura to get connected. So now let's connect our Aura. You can see this friendly eyes, or this is the UI basic, which makes it different from other UIs, and like Alexa or other AI models which are currently in the market. So now you can see that it has already started listening to my voice, but since I have not used the wake word, it ignore all those noises. So let's see this into working. Aura, can you hear me? See, now it has heard me.
I've got my virtual ears on.
and now it is sending to the llama the voice, and there it comes back, and then it is transmitted to Aura, and then it converts into text to speech, and then it is speaking. So let's hear some joke from the Aura. Aura, tell me a joke. Look, it has removed the Aura word since it's the wake word, not. Now I have to tell him to tell a joke.
Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired.
So this is one of the joke. This is one of the part of the Aura. Now let's move on by introducing the memory feature here. Now let's talk about the memory feature of Aura. So here is my console, and Aura, can you tell me my name?
Nice to meet you.
It currently don't know my name. Okay, so it is saying something.
Any info on your console or order that would give away your name.
Okay, so now let's tell my name to him. Aura, my name is Krishna. Look, it has listen, my name is Krishna.
Glad we could establish a connection. No pun intended.
Okay, now if you ask him
Now
again,
about that order.
now if you ask him again, now it can tell me my name. Okay,
Details on it.
Aura, what is my name?
Want to share what's in the bag for you today?
Aura, what is my name?
I think we already established that. Krishna.
Okay, so now
Your name is indeed Krishna.
it has remembered what I told
Feel
him.
free to
Okay.
remind me again.
Now let's talk about the AI feature, I mean smart home feature of Aura. Okay, so Aura, turn the light on. See, you can see it heard me. Now it will say something and turn on the light. Okay.
All right now.
It is written action light on. Now we can verify it here. Look, light is
Want to
on.
chill or get moving?
Since it is not visible properly, let me zoom it on. Okay, now you can see bedroom light on. Okay. I do not have currently the smart home devices here, so I used this to demonstrate this feature. Now let's move on to the next feature. Now let's talk about the music feature of Aura. When I'm going to say play some music, play some rap music, play some relaxing music, play some travel music, it will automatically select that genre which I have told, and then it is gonna play right here, not here. It will gonna play here. Okay. Aura, play some rap music. Okay, it heard me. Play some rap music. Now
Playing some sick beats.
it is gonna play now. And also, when it starts speaking, its eyes turns from blue to green. I forgot to mention this earlier.
Play_app.
Now it is gonna play Mercy from Bacha. Okay. It is already playing. The music is quite loud in the starting. I hope you can hear it. It can play the complete music here. Let us see for some time. And I can assure you that this box is playing the music. Look, here I have already muted. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I have muted, but it still is playing. Alright, so this is the music feature of Aura. So this was all about Aura, okay, the friendly AI assistant. So thank you guys. You can check out the GitHub link in my description, and please feel free to comment, and thank you. So guys, this was complete about Aura. So this I'm making this conversational part because to explain the working of the Aura. I've already explained the working of the Aura, but what is the reason that I made this Aura? Like, we have Alexa, we have Google Home, AI assistant. What is the need of this making? So this was made to compile the current Alexas and Google assistants with a friend, to combine both of these. So after combining this, we get an absolute different model which speaks like a friend but do all the working like Alexa or any other AI home devices. So okay, so this was the main part basically for which I made this, and thank you to the Circuit Digest team to giving me this opportunity. And so, okay, all right, thank you, and we'll meet in another project. Thanks all.